There's a mysterious ad I've seen on BART, Oakland. They're called San Francisco Baykeeper. No S. So it's kind of like a keep your eyes on the bay. They look like an octopus eye. Who knows? Squid. Stop polluters, protect people, save wildlife. I mean, there's no website. I think I did a preliminary search and didn't find anything. What's the purpose of this? It's a media campaign to promote a nonprofit, without asking for a call. There's no call to action. So what's it about? I'll look it up, see what it is. If anybody knows, let me know.